do the seniors this time. Alright, we're gonna do class chants. Yeah. Alright. Okay, never mind. I'm gonna start with the freshmen. Freshmen, we're gonna start with you class chants. We're gonna do the 2-0-2-0. You know, your year. 2-6. Oopsies. Okay. Do you guys want to get it started? Alrighty, now we'd like to welcome the Special Olympics team down.
We would actually like to have Coach Hodge and Coach Mitchell come down really quick. So, these two coaches were nice enough to host a basketball clinic for our Special Olympians, for the girls and boys varsity team. They spent some time with these guys and we greatly appreciate their time. So we just wanted to say thank you. And Tucker, you're going to give that to Coach Hodge. Thank you all so much. And the boys and girls team, thank you guys for giving up your time for our friends here. Thank you very much.
Cheer dance and teacher dance. So we're super excited for that. We have a bunch of teachers dancing in this along with our cheer and dance team. So yeah.
Now he doesn't get sturdy. No, that's all. Get sturdy.
Alrighty, if everybody can look over at this projector over here, we're going to start this off with a video.
No fucking way, holy shit. getting jiggy with it. Let's go, Polar! Yeah! I can't wait to see it.
put your hands together for the finale.
Like a kid.